Valentine's video. We're gonna talk a little bit about the Best Buds. So as you know, I bought one Best Buds for 21 Sol. It was in anticipation of the female ones. And they're currently sitting at 15 to 16-ish. See, so if I were to list mine for around 16-ish, there's like a 10% tax. It's down around 6 to 7-ish is how much I'm down at the current price. But then the female ones, I'm expecting those to worth quite a bit. And something actually kind of weird happened where I actually was able to get 2 of them for my male. The male bud. So normally you can only get 1 of them, but somehow I was able to get 2 of them by just like spamming, and then I like transferred my male Best Bud to a different wallet, and then I guess it just worked. Okay. Besides that, we're just gonna be going over some browser optimizations. Browser optimizations just on the flag section. Browser I like using. I like using the Microsoft Edge one. If you like using the Chrome one, you should be able to do that. Yeah, okay. So are there any big highlights? You can just take a look at all of them. I think the GPU rasterization is a good one. Boosting the refresh rate on the scrolling. And the other ones are also useful, like parallel downloading. And yeah, you can check these ones out. Add to the my randoms for video, and that is the Discord as well. I can't really see, you can see the number of servers you have by getting the Better Discord plugin. Yeah, so some people already use this one, just called Better Discord. You can take a look at it. It's just like I don't know how safe it is exactly, but I just use it to see how many servers I have here. And then I only run a second version of Discord, so that way I can use 2 of them. And then sometimes I run like a third one or fourth one, because I have so many other tabs and stuff. Check out the Better Discord, and then get that server add-on so you can see how many servers you have. And then this is just like a theme that you can download. It's kind of like a standard one. It reminds me a lot of the Linux stuff. Okay, so that's my weird story video, just about Best Buds females public sale for these is tomorrow, and I think these might come back up, but you never know. So I think we are in the money just because I got a second one, but if you just had the one, I think you're more likely closer to break even. And so subscribe to the channel for more surveys. I think I'll make an upcoming launches survey video again, and then you can also join a little Telegram, just for finding potential investments.